Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of automated machine learning, or AutoML. If you're a beginner, student, educator, or early-stage developer, this guide is designed just for you. AutoML is all about making machine learning more accessible by automating many of the repetitive and technical tasks that can slow down progress. Whether you're curious about how to get started or want to compare popular tools like Vertex AI AutoML, AutoGluon, and AutoSlearn, you're in the right place. Let's start by understanding what AutoML really does and why it's such a game changer for newcomers. AutoML stands for Automated Machine Learning. It's a set of tools and processes that automate key steps in building machine learning models. Instead of manually selecting models, tuning hyperparameters, or evaluating results, AutoML platforms handle much of this for you. This means you can focus more on your problem and less on the technical details. For beginners, this is especially helpful because it shortens the journey from raw data to a working model. But remember, AutoML doesn't replace human judgment. Data quality, fairness, and understanding the problem still matter. Why should you consider using AutoML? The main reason is efficiency. AutoML automates repetitive tasks like data preprocessing, model selection, and hyperparameter tuning. This saves time and reduces the risk of manual errors. For beginners, it's a great way to get hands-on experience with machine learning without needing deep technical expertise right away. Plus, AutoML tools are designed to help you quickly move from data to results, making them ideal for teaching, experimentation, and even early-stage deployment. Let's break down what AutoML actually does. It automates several steps: preparing your data, choosing which model families to try, searching through different parameter combinations, evaluating candidate models, and finally, picking the best one. This process can be time-consuming if done manually, but AutoML speeds it up. However, it's important to note that AutoML doesn't eliminate the need for human oversight. You still need to define your problem, ensure your data is high quality, and make decisions about fairness and deployment. Every AutoML project starts with a clear problem definition. Are you trying to classify something, predict a number, or forecast future trends? For example, predicting if a student will pass is a classification task, while predicting their exact score is a regression task. If you don't define your problem clearly, even the best AutoML tool won't give you meaningful results. So, always start by understanding exactly what you want to predict and why. Once you know your problem, it's time to gather and prepare your data. This means collecting the right data, formatting it correctly, and labeling it properly. All AutoML tools, Vertex AI, AutoGluon, and AutoSlearn, depend on good input data. Beginners should focus on removing errors, handling missing values, and making sure the data matches the real-world scenario where the model will be used. Good data preparation is the foundation of any successful machine learning project. Choosing the right AutoML tool depends on your comfort with coding, available infrastructure, budget, and the type of data you have. Vertex AI AutoML is a managed cloud platform, perfect for those who prefer a dashboard interface. AutoGluon and AutoSlearn are Python libraries, ideal for users who like to code. Beginners who want a guided experience may lean toward Vertex AI, while those comfortable with Python might prefer AutoGluon or AutoSlearn. Your choice should fit your skills and project needs. Now it's time to train your model. In Vertex AI, you upload your data, create a dataset, train the model, evaluate it, and generate predictions. It supports tasks like binary classification, multi-class classification, regression, and forecasting. AutoGluon stands out for its simple interface and strong tabular performance, using stack ensembling to boost results. AutoSlearn focuses on automated model search and configuration, with features like successive halving and meta-learning. Each tool has its own workflow, but the goal is the same: build a strong model efficiently. Valuation is a critical step in any AutoML workflow. Vertex AI, AutoGluon, and AutoSlearn all include model evaluation as a core part of their process. Beginners should look at the right performance metrics for their problem, accuracy for some classification tasks, but also precision, recall, F1 score, RMSE, or MAE depending on the context. Evaluating your model helps you understand its strengths and weaknesses before moving forward. Deployment is where your model starts making real-world predictions. Vertex AI supports both online and batch inference, making it suitable for production workflows. AutoGluon and AutoSlearn are more often used in Python-based experiments or custom pipelines, not as full managed deployment platforms. Before deploying, always check your model for bias, data leakage, and performance stability. Make sure the conditions during training match those in real use. Let's compare the three main AutoML tools: Vertex AI AutoML, AutoGluon, and AutoSlearn. Each has unique strengths and is designed for different users. Vertex AI is a managed cloud service, great for those who want a guided workflow and easy deployment. AutoGluon is an open-source Python library focused on strong tabular performance with minimal code. AutoSlearn is also open-source, built around scikit-learn workflows, and offers more control for those familiar with Python. Vertex AI AutoML is Google's managed cloud AutoML platform. It's designed for users who want a low-code, guided experience. You can use its dashboard to upload data, train models, evaluate results, and deploy with just a few clicks. It supports both image and tabular data, making it versatile for many beginner projects. The workflow is streamlined, making it easy for those new to machine learning to get started quickly. AutoGluon is an open-source Python library that focuses on making tabular AutoML easy and powerful. It's known for its simple interface. Just a few lines of code can get you a strong baseline model. AutoGluon uses multi-layer stack ensembling, which helps improve model performance by combining the strengths of different algorithms. It's a great choice for Python users who want fast experimentation and strong results on tabular data. AutoSclearn is another open-source Python library, but it's built specifically for users who are already familiar with scikit-learn. It automates model selection, configuration, and ensembling, and includes advanced features like successive halving and meta-learning. AutoSclearn is ideal for those who want more control over their AutoML process and are comfortable working within the scikit-learn ecosystem. Let's look at the main features of each tool. Vertex AI AutoML is a managed cloud service, offering a low-code interface and strong deployment support. AutoGluon is open source, focused on tabular data, and uses a code-first approach. AutoSclearn is also open source, built for scikit-learn workflows, and offers advanced search and configuration options. Each tool is tailored for different types of users and projects. Vertex AI AutoML supports both image and tabular data, making it versatile for many applications. AutoGluon is especially strong with tabular data, providing excellent results with minimal code. AutoSclearn is focused on scikit-learn style classification and regression tasks, making it a good fit for those already using that ecosystem. Your data type and project goals will help determine which tool is best for you. User interface is a key difference. Vertex AI offers a low-code cloud console, making it easy for beginners to navigate. AutoGluon and AutoSclearn both use a code-first Python interface, which is better suited for users comfortable with programming. If you prefer clicking through dashboards, Vertex AI is likely your best bet. If you enjoy coding, AutoGluon or AutoSclearn will feel more natural. Ensembling is a technique where multiple models are combined to improve performance. Vertex AI manages ensembling automatically within its workflow. AutoGluon's multi-layer stack ensembling is a major strength, helping it achieve strong results on tabular data. AutoSclearn also supports ensemble selection as a core feature, making it powerful for users who want to experiment with different combinations of models. Resource control is another important factor. Vertex AI manages resources through the cloud, so you don't have to worry about hardware limits. AutoGluon and AutoSclearn depend on your local or hosted Python environment, which means you need to be aware of your machine's capabilities. If you want a hands-off experience, Vertex AI is ideal. For more control and flexibility, the Python libraries are a better fit. Deployment options differ across tools. Vertex AI offers strong managed deployment and inference support, making it suitable for production use. AutoGluon and AutoSclearn are typically integrated into custom Python deployment stacks, which gives you more flexibility but requires more setup. Consider your deployment needs when choosing a tool. Managed services are easier, but custom stacks offer more control. Vertex AI AutoML's main strengths are its beginner-friendly workflow, managed infrastructure, and built-in path from training to inference. It supports both image and tabular tasks, making it versatile for many use cases. The guided experience is perfect for those new to machine learning or those who want to avoid coding. If you're teaching or learning the basics, Vertex AI is a great starting point. Despite its strengths, Vertex AI AutoML has some limitations. It's cloud-dependent, which means you need an internet connection and may incur costs. For learners who want to inspect every modeling choice, it can feel less transparent. It's also less flexible than code-first tools, so if you want to experiment deeply or customize your workflow, you might find it limiting. AutoGluon shines with its simple Python usage and strong performance on tabular data. Its stack ensembling approach helps deliver robust results, making it popular for rapid baselines and competitions. If you're comfortable with Python and want to get strong results quickly, AutoGluon is an excellent choice. It's especially useful for experimentation and small research projects. AutoGluon's main limitation is that it's more code-oriented, which can be challenging for non-programmers. Deployment isn't managed as a full cloud service by default, so you'll need to handle more of the setup yourself. If you're looking for a point-and-click experience, AutoGluon may not be the best fit. But for those who enjoy coding, it offers a lot of power and flexibility. AutoSclearn is a strong choice for users already familiar with scikit-learn. It offers a configurable search space, ensemble support, and a solid research foundation. Its advanced features, like meta-learning and successive halving, make it powerful for educational and experimental use. If you want to compare automated pipelines inside a classical machine learning curriculum, AutoSclearn is a great option. AutoSclearn requires more setup awareness and depends on time and memory tuning. For complete beginners, it can be heavier to use compared to other tools. You'll need to be comfortable with Python and have some experience with scikit-learn to get the most out of it. If you're just starting out, it might feel overwhelming, but it's a powerful tool for those ready to dive deeper. Which AutoML tool should you choose? For complete beginners with little coding experience, Vertex AI AutoML is often the easiest entry point. Its guided workflow and managed environment make it accessible and straightforward. If you already know Python and want strong tabular performance with minimal code, AutoGluon is a practical choice. For those working inside the scikit-learn ecosystem and wanting more control, AutoSclearn is ideal for educational and experimental projects. Here are some practical recommendations. Start with Vertex AI AutoML when teaching introductory concepts to students who aren't confident in Python. Use AutoGluon for fast tabular experimentation in notebooks or small research projects. Choose AutoSclearn when you want to compare automated pipelines in a classical machine learning curriculum. No matter which tool you pick, always evaluate data quality, fairness, and real-world validity before trusting your final model. Regardless of the tool, data quality is crucial. Before trusting any model, check for missing values, outliers, and errors. Make sure your data accurately represents the real-world scenario where the model will be used. High-quality data leads to better models and more reliable predictions. Don't skip this step. It's the backbone of successful machine learning. Fairness and bias are important considerations in any machine learning project. AutoML tools can help automate technical steps, but they can't guarantee fairness. Always review your data and model outputs for potential bias. Consider the impact of your predictions and make adjustments as needed to ensure your model is fair and ethical. It's not enough for a model to perform well on test data. It must also work in the real world. Before deploying, check that your model's training conditions match real usage. Look for signs of data leakage or unstable performance. Validating your model in real-world scenarios helps prevent surprises and ensures reliable results. AutoML is a fantastic tool for education. It allows students to focus on understanding the machine learning process without getting bogged down in technical details. Teachers can use Vertex AI for guided lessons, AutoGluon for hands-on coding exercises, and AutoSclearn for advanced projects. This flexibility makes AutoML a valuable addition to any curriculum. For beginners, AutoML offers a gentle introduction to machine learning. You can build and evaluate models without deep technical knowledge. As you gain experience, you can explore more advanced features and tools. AutoML helps bridge the gap between theory and practice, making it easier to start real projects and see results quickly. Early-stage developers can use AutoML to speed up prototyping and experimentation. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on solving business problems and refining your ideas. AutoML tools like AutoGluon and AutoSclearn are especially useful for rapid iteration and testing different approaches with minimal code. Researchers can leverage AutoML to automate baseline experiments and compare different modeling approaches. Tools like AutoGluon and AutoSclearn are particularly valuable for running large-scale experiments and benchmarking results. This allows researchers to spend more time on analysis and less on manual setup. When it comes to deployment, Vertex AI stands out for its managed support. You can deploy models for online or batch inference with minimal setup. AutoGluon and AutoSclearn require more custom deployment, but offer greater flexibility. Choose the deployment approach that fits your project's scale and requirements. AutoML is transforming how we approach machine learning. By automating repetitive tasks, it lowers the barrier to entry and accelerates the development process. Whether you're a student, educator, or developer, AutoML tools can help you focus on what matters most, solving real problems and building impactful solutions. Most important lesson is to choose the tool that matches your needs. Vertex AI is best for guided cloud workflows and beginners. AutoGluon is great for easy, high-performance tabular modeling in Python. AutoSclearn is ideal for those who want AutoML inside a scikit-learn-centered ecosystem. Consider your goals, skills, and project requirements before making a decision. Recap: the AutoML workflow involves 6 main steps. Define the problem, collect and prepare data, choose the tool, train the model, evaluate results, and deploy carefully. Each step is important and builds on the previous one. By following this process, you can make the most of AutoML tools and achieve reliable results, even as a beginner. Vertex AI AutoML offers a guided, managed experience ideal for beginners and educators. AutoGluon is perfect for Python users who want fast, strong results on tabular data. AutoSclearn is best for those already working with scikit-learn and looking for advanced configuration. Each tool has its place, and understanding their differences helps you make the right choice. No matter which AutoML tool you use, always start with clear problem definition and high-quality data. Evaluate your models carefully, check for fairness and real-world validity, and choose deployment options that fit your needs. AutoML is a powerful way to learn and apply machine learning, but thoughtful preparation and review are always essential. AutoML is one of the most effective ways for beginners to enter applied machine learning. It automates much of the technical work while preserving the logic of the full pipeline. The key is to match the tool to your needs. Vertex AI for guided workflows, AutoGluon for easy Python modeling, and AutoSclearn for advanced experimentation. With the right approach, anyone can start building powerful machine learning models. If you're ready to get started, pick the tool that fits your background and project. Explore tutorials, experiment with sample datasets, and try building your first model. As you gain confidence, you can dive deeper into customization and advanced features. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Enjoy learning and building with AutoML. There are plenty of resources available to help you on your AutoML journey. Check out official documentation, online tutorials, and community forums for each tool. Don't hesitate to seek help if you get stuck. Learning is a collaborative process, and the AutoML community is full of people willing to share their knowledge and experience. Thank you for joining this step-by-step guide to AutoML for beginners. Whether you're a student, educator, or developer, we hope you now feel more confident about using AutoML tools like Vertex AI, AutoGluon, and AutoSclearn. Remember, the key to success is matching the tool to your needs and always focusing on data quality and fairness. Good luck on your machine learning journey.